Hi, my name's Grant Lundberg, and my family and I are honored to receive Rodale Institute's Organic Pioneer Award. At Lundberg Family Farms, the definition of family extends far beyond family-owned. It includes a network of 40 growers and over 400 team members. Together, we farm more than 15,000 acres of organic rice and quinoa. As a vertically integrated company, we dry, store, mill, manufacture, market, and distribute more than 168 organic certified products in the US and Canada. It hasn't always been that way. In 1937, my grandparents, Albert and Francis, left Nebraska with a tractor, their 4 sons, and a Chevy truck. They saw how the Dust Bowl removed the topsoil off the land. And so when they moved to California, they decided to do things differently, to work in partnership with nature. Still, there wasn't a lot of information available about organic farming. So when a customer asked them to grow, mill, and sell organic rice, they sought out Robert Rodale, the publisher of Organic Gardening magazine.
The organic movement was in its early days when my dad and uncles started farming organic rice. At that time, most people didn't know what organic meant. J.I. and Robert Rodale, they defined the very term by developing a third-party organic certification program that paved the way for farmers like us.
At Lundberg Family Farms, we grow rice from the ground up using organic farming methods to build soil health. We rotate crops, return rice straw to the soil instead of burning it, and we use water to manage weeds so we can provide better food to our customers, at the same time leaving a better world for the next generation.
It may take more effort to farm rice organically, more thought, time, and planning, but as is true with most things, good things don't come easy. When I think about what my parents handed down to me and what I'm handing down to my kids in terms of farming philosophies, I hope I'm sharing things that, in my great-grandpa Albert's words, leave the land better than we found it.
Our parents and grandparents were pioneers in every sense of the word. They left Nebraska in enormous uncertainty and never expected their commitment to organic farming to be met with this level of recognition. My cousins and I feel a profound responsibility to continue their legacy of treating the land like a member of the family. We're grateful to the Rodale Institute for plowing the way, for forging ahead, for furthering the organic movement through research, farmer training, and consumer education, so we can keep growing together for generations to come and deliver on our mission to nourish, conserve, and innovate for a healthier world.
It is an incredible honor to award the Lundberg family with a 2020 Organic Pioneer Award. The Lundberg family has spent generations researching and putting in practice agricultural systems that improve the soil and water resources their farms depend on, all while producing great tasting organic rice and food crops. Thank you for your work to advance the organic movement. To all of you watching remotely, please join the Organic Pioneer Month celebration by supporting Rodale Institute with a donation at rodaleinstitute.org/OPA. Your gift will help us grow the future of the organic movement through research, farmer training, and outreach. Donate anywhere from $1 to $100,000 and you'll be invited to join a panel featuring all of the 2020 Organic Pioneer winners on September 21st. Hope to see you there.